Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix an unaccepted error occurred. Please try logging in again on your Instagram app. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to log in your Instagram account and you are seeing the error, an unaccepted error occurred, please try logging in again. Then I'll show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just long press on your Instagram app, then click on this I button. Here you can see once you have to tap on force stop, tap on OK. After that, you will see storage and cache. Tap on this. Once you have to tap on clear storage. Before tapping delete, you have to make sure you have read this app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Means whatever you have saved videos will be deleted from your Instagram app and your Instagram account will be logged out, and whatever settings you have done for your Instagram account, that all will be resetted. After reading this, just tap on delete, then go back, then open the Play Store, then tap on search. After that, here you have to search for Instagram. Tap on the Instagram. If your Instagram app is not up to date, just update it from here. After updating, just close this window and restart your mobile. Then try to log in with your Instagram account details. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram login problem and unaccepted error occurred. Please try logging in again on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.